Hey guys, James here. Today we're going to be reviewing this 605 ST from Onyx by Astra hole punch tool. Check it out. Surely way faster than drilling. Let's go. All right guys, today we're going to be reviewing this 605 ST Onyx by Astra dual purpose flanging and punching tool. Let's take a look. All right. So pretty much what we would expect. It's got a little rubber handle here. So this is the punch on this side and the flanger on this side. Looks very much like my old one. A little bit different in design. This one, the head broke off after probably 20 years of use. So I'm replacing it with this guy. Let's see how it works. All right, I got a new fitting from my old tool on there. So you can see the action here. So we get a flange here. So if you want to make a flange or if you want to punch. So I got this panel right here that I made. Been a fabricator for 35 years. Bam. That's how easy that is. Pop some holes in a panel. Let's do a little flange. All right, so I just grabbed this little scrap piece. And there is your flange. So I don't really use the flange ever. But it will put a little staggered flange on there. So I suppose if you wanted to, for whatever reason, you wanted to stagger off a panel like that, you could do that with this little tool. And of course, because you're doing it in small increments, you could do it around in a curve. It doesn't have to be a straight line. But overall, I'm going to give this tool, I'll give it an A. Looks quality. It's like some sort of machined aluminum body, rubber. Seems to be activating well. And this is like a cast head, it looks like. So there'll be a link in my description. Peace. Man, that makes nice fast work. So I'm going to be spot welding with the MIG through those holes to weld this on. Let's go!